We live in a world of AI and cutting-edge technology, yet light fixtures are still being hardwired to ceilings. Exposed wires, complicated installations. Every time you need a new light, you have to climb a ladder and touch hazardous electrical wires. Introducing SkyPlug, the revolutionary installation solution for installing light fixtures. Take a hanging fixture rod, cord, or chain and easily convert it to a plug and play and plug it in. Once the Sky outlet is installed, lighting is now plug and play, just like a table lamp. The Sky outlet functions as a wall receptacle, but is designed for lighting and securely holds the light fixture. And the best part, once the Sky outlet is wired and installed, it never has to be removed or replaced to install future lighting. As long as your light fixture is fitted with SkyPlug, you can use the Sky outlet over and over again. Our retrofit kits make it easy for anyone to convert an existing fixture. Available in 8 colors, they seamlessly match your fixture for a flawless look. Stop hardwiring. Start Sky plugging and upgrade your lighting today.